Today we're working as a 4th grade class under the Common Core standard multiply or divide to solve word problems involving multiplicative comparison, for example by using drawings and equations with a symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem, distinguishing multiplicative comparison from additive comparison. So our objectives for this lesson are that the students will be able to produce equations from word problems and use multiplication to solve word problems involving multiplicative comparison, and that students will be able to analyze a word problem sentence by sentence to be able to solve it. Now that we got that out of the way, let's do some math. As you can see, we're going to be working on a word problem today, and I know they're not everyone's favorite, but I believe that if we work together, we can solve this one. So the first thing you do is read the directions, and they say read the problem and turn it into an equation to solve. You'll see that I have underlined the word equation because that's an important part of the directions. So first we'll read through the word problem and then we'll go through step by step to get the information we need. So Caden has 2 bags, one black and one green. He places 9 times as many cubes in the black bag than the green bag. He placed 12 cubes in the green bag. How many cubes did he place in the black bag? So I'm going to go ahead and underline this last sentence. How many cubes did he place in the black bag? Because that's the question we need to answer. So now we're going to go through step by step and figure out what information we have and what information we need to get. So first, Caden has 2 bags, one black one and one green one. So we're going to do a capital B for the black bag. I'll write this down so that we, so that we know. And a capital G for the green bag. So now the next sentence says he places 9 times as many cubes in the black bag than the green bag. So we're not sure exactly how many cubes he puts in the black bag, but we know that it's equal to 9 times the amount of cubes than the green bag, so we're going to use our capital G symbol here that represents our green bag. So the next sentence says he placed 12 cubes in the green bag, which means we do know exactly how many cubes he placed in the green bag, 12. But remember, we need an equation to solve this problem, and our question is how many cubes did he place in the black bag? So we're going to have our black bag equal 9 times G, which just literally came from right there. But this doesn't really look like an equation. I mean, we only have one number in here and we have no operation signs. So let's try to make this look like an equation. We can keep the B equals because the B represents the black bag, which is our question and what we need to answer. 9, that's one of the numbers we need, so we can keep 9. But the word times, what does the word times represent? Does it represent addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Let's write multiplication, so we can put our multiplication sign here. And G. G is just a symbol, and it represented our green bag, and our green bag equals 12 cubes. So we put 12 in for the G. And that's our new equation. B equals 9 times 12. And because we know our multiplication tables, we know that 9 times 12 equals 108. But we're not quite done yet because we always answer the question in complete sentences. So our sentence says, how many cubes did he place in the black bag? So our answer should be Caden placed 108 cubes in the black bag. And this is our answer. So we read through it once, and we figured out our question, And then we went through sentence by sentence to make sure we got all the information we needed. And we did make sure to write an equation, one with symbols and one with what the symbols represent, because that was in our directions. So we have our answer.